In this Canva tutorial, we're going to look at version history. So you can actually go back to older versions of your Canva projects. If you have Canva Pro, click the link in the description for a free trial. Now, version history, basically Canva's always saving your project. And so when I've made changes to my project and I go up here to the three dots, I can open up version history down here almost to the bottom. And so we click version history and we'll see the different versions that we've had of this project. Now, auto saved 32 minutes ago, for instance. I could click on that and see what that version of my project was. And then from there, I could potentially restore the version or even make a copy of that version. So I could split off like a branch and create a new project that has this version. Maybe I meant to do that and accidentally kind of saved over it, right? So you can easily restore versions or just go through and see what the different versions are that you've had. And you can kind of go through that. You have your current version here at the top, and then whatever has auto saved so many minutes ago or even days ago. And so version history is a quick way to go back on your designs. It's like the most powerful undo, right? To actually restore older versions, or potentially you've made a lot of design changes and you want to go back to the first one you had and you didn't save it. You can go back and branch off a copy of that version here on Canva Mobile.